Hey everybody, hey everyone. It's snowing out here, and if you're like me, you have a diesel pickup, and it's cold, snowing, all this crap, it helps to warm them up a little bit. You don't have to, but it sure makes life a lot easier. You can see, we're sitting there about 1500 RPM, and what I want to show you guys today, the best part about this is a lot of people are putting high idle switches on their trucks, and that's fine and dandy and all, but it's real easy to get one done. I just buttoned this one up here a little bit ago, and I'll kind of show you a little bit about how to do it, and hopefully you guys can do one yourself, save yourself a little bit of time. I know money's tight around Christmas time, but as you can see, we got they're sitting right around 1500 RPM, somewhere right in there. So what you do is first things, go down to your local Menards and ask them for a standard board, and you make yourself a nice little cutout right like that. And then if you're like me, you got power seats, this gets pretty easy. All you got to do, you want it a little bit higher, bump it up a little bit. All of a sudden your idle's even higher. You want to bring it back down, slide her back. Then conveniently, if you get the 1x4 option, all you got to do is slide it right here between your seat, and it conveniently tucks away. So that's been your very best tip for surviving the cold winter months. Go ahead and like our page, share it for some more tips coming up, and we'll see if we can't keep you warm this winter.